So everyone, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, then my name is Marlene, and if you already know me, then well, welcome back. So today I decided I was gonna film like a little makeup, a Valentine's Day makeup, just because it's there, it's happening, and I'd like to take advantage of this type of things. So I thought I would do like kind of like a special makeup, like a lot of things and hearts and stuff, because I can basically. I don't know. But yeah, if you want to know how that turns out, then just keep watching. I feel like my face is like in need of things. I'm so pale because I did my base because I thought, you know what, I'm not even going to spend time on that. That seems to be like a recurring thing on my videos, me not doing my base. Me being like, okay, and yeah, this is the tutorial for the eyes, and look at me applying some highlighter. It's basically like my videos lately. But anyways, I can have this like cutouts of little hearts. They're black. And I thought like I would put them over my face and then I would like blush everything, like go really, really hard into the blush. And then I would like take them off and I would have like little blush hearts. So that was kind of like my idea, and I hope everything turns out. If you're watching this video, then it turned out. No, I'm just joking. I'll put this up on the internet, whether I succeed or I fail. That's the movie. That's the thing. But I'm gonna like just pop this little cutouts on my face, and then I will be back with the blush. Okay, I have a lot of like black little hearts over my heart, and I think this is a look, and I don't even want to put blush on. I can't really smile because I kind of, you know what, I glued them to my face, and I don't think that was very smart of me, because I think it's gonna like just get all the foundation off when I take this off. But you know what, that's a future me problem. Me right now is very excited to put a lot of blush in. So to start, I am going to go into this Fit Me blush by Maybelline. This is in the shade light pink. Yeah, it's kind of like peachy, and I really like that. But yeah, I'm just going to go wild with this. I'm going to put a lot on because this is not a going out look. This is not a going out to the street kind of look. This is probably not even a like dinner party. Like, you cannot wear this anywhere, but I really like this. Like, those are my kind of looks. You can really use this anywhere looks. My favorite. I'm kind of tempted to get like a bright pink. Like, maybe this is my Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm gonna do this. Oh yeah. Yeah, this is what I wanted. For real though. Like, this is a level of pink that I aspire in my life right now. I just went into like a letter, just tapped it just a tiny bit so I can get like tiny pigmentation and go, oh my fucking god. Well, it works. I'm so disappointed in me right now. Like, honestly, why can't I be more like gentle with blush? Well, I'm gonna have two hearts here, but I don't know if you noticed, but there, little heart. I think I am gonna like outline them a little bit more. They just feel kind of weird. Like, they're not as pigmented as I want them to be, so I'm just gonna go into Love Letter and kind of outline them. Hope this works out. I don't just like look crazy. Oh, I gotta be very gentle. Oh my god, no. No, my little heart. I'm gonna glue this again, because I am not gonna have like one heart on that side. Look how well this works. I'm gonna leave it aside to dry a little bit. And in the meantime, I'm gonna go into my Milani Big Blush in the shade Luminosa, and I'm just gonna apply this one because I love this blush, and I cannot do a blush look without this one. You know what? Well, this heart decides to like settle in. I'm gonna start with my eyes, I think, because this is taking too long and I don't like it. So I am using my Anastasia Beverly Hills because, oh my god, if this is a Valentine's Day palette, like this is the type of palette that you're like, I can either like do a total normal simple look, or I can go full on Valentine's pink fancy. You like this palette. So I'm gonna go into the full on pink fancy. I'm gonna use the shade Tempera right here just to put on my like lid. No, not my lids, my crease. Oh my god. Please trust the process because this is gonna seem all over the place, and it kind of is. But at the same time, I have a vision, and my vision has failed me a lot. But I think this is the time that my vision completes itself. I'm gonna go into the shade Primavera right here, which is this beautiful, beautiful gold, and I'm gonna do a half cut crease with that. If you've never seen me do a cut crease before, what I like to do is I take a flat brush and I kind of outline where the half cut crease is gonna go. And then what I like to do is to actually just go in with my fingers, because that's where I think like pigment adheres more in metallics and stuff, and just go in with my finger, like really place the pigment down. And then go back in with the brush and just like see that everything is looking like nice and good and in place. You know, sometimes you just gotta like go with the flow and see where the flow takes you, and this is totally one of those moments. So I'm just gonna see what happens. Like, I wasn't going out. I wasn't even planning on doing this look in the first place, so I'm okay with whatever comes out. Like, I wasn't gonna do a Valentine's Day look. I don't think that we should be like celebrating Valentine's. I think love is something you celebrate every day, but you know, that's just me. But yeah, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go into Venetian Red, and I'm gonna do the outer third of my eyes with that. I just put that on my crease a little bit because I thought it looked better. And I'm gonna go into my under eyes using that same Venetian Red. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna finish the side of my cheeks. These are looking like this. And I'm gonna apply a little bit of eyeliner and some fake lashes. And I'll be right back. Okay, oh my god, we're almost done with this like the thing that it's actually turning out. I like this look, I like the pink of it all. This little heart decided to fall out. So I am heartless right now. It's okay, I've always been. That was a really, really, really sad joke. We truly apologize for it. I am going to go into my Anastasia Beverly Hills Sugar Glow Kit, and I'm going to use the shade Gumdrop, which you can't really see right now, but it has like a really, really intense like pink colored like sheen. So I'm going to use that to highlight and just keep adding pink to my face. So that's where we were at. Oh, okay, you can see this, but I swear to God it's like pinky. Okay, I think I want to do my lips before, and just for the grand finale, take all my little hearts off, because I'm really like, okay, like you get a little preview of what's coming, but I want to see it all completely. I want to see if my vision has actually become a thing. So I'm going to use my NYX Lip Lingerie in the shade Lippily 04. Haven't used this one in a while. Like, I used to use this in every single video. Like this video, if you remember, this lipstick. Okay, that's it for the list, and let's do the fun part. Let's just take this little hearts off. Can't believe it has like actually turned out okay. I was hoping, well, I wasn't hoping, I was hoping for this, but I was like kind of hoping for this, expecting disaster. So I'm very happy that I actually got this. I like this. Is this a look? Can I go out like this? Can this be a look that I can use in my everyday life? Can I would you be using this? Is that a thing? No? Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna stop talking. But anyways, I hope you really like this book. I'm quite happy with it. Like I did not expect it to go this well. I did not expect for it to like work, basically. So I'm happy. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you have a wonderful Valentine's Day, either with your significant other or by yourself, because you know, first love has got to be yourself. So if you're not in a partnership, in a relationship, then you can just go out and celebrate yourself, because you should be loving yourself. And that's my message here. Also, we should be celebrating love every single day, not just on Valentine's Day. But I already said that, so. So anyways, if you want to show me a little bit of love and support, then just like give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if you have, then I send a lot of love to you as well. So I will see you in the next one. Bye!